Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and quick review of OPPO F15 smartphone. This is the latest and upcoming smartphone by OPPO. Okay, now quickly open the box. And in top you can see it comes with 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. Okay, in top we get this small box. Let's see what we get inside it. Okay. So here we get the SIM ejector tool, reading manuals and warranty card. Keep this aside, and this is the transparent TPU case. Okay, and here's the phone itself. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, so here's the big charger, I would like to say. And if we talk about its output, here you can see it supports 5V 4A. Okay, it is a VOOC 3.0 fast charger, and this is the USB type C cable. Here you can see this is the USB type C cable, and this is premium earphones. Very good thing, this is premium earphone, I would like to say. Okay, just keep this thing aside and come to the phone, and you can see the phone itself. Let's quickly remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone itself. Here you can see it looks great in metallic finish, I would like to say. Here you can see it looks great, really great in metallic finish. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top here you can see we get the primary microphone, and on this side we get the power on off button, and in bottom we get the main speaker, USB type C port, secondary microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the volume up and down key, and here is the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what is specification we get out of it. Okay, so it supports dual nano SIM card with the dedicated micro SD card slot, which is a really good thing. Okay, and if we talk about the back, it has quad rear camera, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. And here we get the dual LED flash. Okay, and in front it has 16 megapixel camera over here with the V-notch design, and here we get the in-display fingerprint scanner. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core 12nm processor. It comes with 6.4-inch Full HD plus AMOLED screen. If we talk about the storage, it comes with 128 8GB internal storage. It has dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot. And if you talk about the rear camera, it has quad rear camera support, 48 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel portrait mode. And it has 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. It comes with 4000 milliamp hour battery, which supports VOOC 3.0 fast charge. And if you talk about the software, it is running on Android 9, running on ColorOS 6.1. And if we talk about the security, it has in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock for better security. So here you can see I have set up the device. Here's the UI of OPPO F15 smartphone. If we slide here, we get the smart assistant. If we slide from bottom, you can see we get the app drawer. And if we slide from top, we get the notification center, helpful quick settings, and brightness setting is also available. You can adjust brightness over here, which is a really good thing. Okay, now quickly go to settings and see how many storage we get out of 128GB. So here you can see out of 128GB, 107GB is available. We get the 107GB out of 128GB, which is a really good thing. And here the clean storage feature is also available. You can clean the storage. Okay. Okay, now quickly go to software info. and check its software information. You can see it is running on ColorOS version 6.1.2 and the Android version is version 9. And if we talk about the RAM, here you can see 8 GB RAM is available and the processor is octa-core. And if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of January 5, 2020. Okay, now go back, and many more features are available. Here you can see app management, app cloner, game space, split screen. Okay, now open the camera and quickly check its camera. What it is, a quad rear camera smartphone, I would like to say. And if we talk about its camera UI, if we tap here, we get the settings, volume button, shutter sound, location, flip selfie, and in photo ratio you can see 4:3, 1:1, full screen 4:3, 48 megapixel is available. Timer, touch to take photo, grid, AI scene recognition, watermark is also available. And if we talk about the video resolution, it is okay, it records up to full HD. Okay, and here we get filters, many filters are available, and this is the desert color mode, and this is the ultra wide camera. I would like to say it is of 8 megapixel. And this is the HDR, tap to turn it on, off and auto. And this is the flash, same for this, tap to turn it fill light, auto, on or off. And if we slide here, we get the video option, and if we slide here, we get the portrait mode option. And here we get some more mode, night, pano, expert, time lapse, slow-mo and sticker. Okay, so now I'm going to take a photo in a photo ratio of 48 megapixel, 4:3. Okay, guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good. Here you can see the camera quality is really good. If we zoom in, we didn't lose the quality of the photo. Here you can see the camera quality is really good. It is superb. And if we talk about the color rendering, here you can see it captures natural color. The camera quality is really good. Let's take another photo in 4:3 simple mode. It captures really very fast. Guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good. Here you can see the camera quality is really good. Here you can see. Yeah, camera quality is really good, I would like to say. And if we talk about the ultra wide camera, let's take a photo. Yeah, ultra wide camera is also good. It is also really good, brilliant, I would like to say. Much better than good. Here you can see, here you can see. The performance of ultra wide camera is also really good. Here you can see. Guys, I would like to say the camera quality of this phone is really very good. But we missed the 4K video quality, I would like to say. And now quickly check its face unlock and fingerprint performance. Okay, and if we talk about its face unlock, here you can see animation pops out. Okay, animation pops out. I put the finger and it unlock. Here you can see it pops out. I put the finger and it unlock. Okay, the fingerprint performance is really very fast and responsive. You can see I put and it unlock. Yeah, the fingerprint performance is really very fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock, I see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Try another way, I see and it unlock. Guys, I would like to say the fingerprint and face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive of this phone. So guys, this is the unboxing and quick review of OPPO F15 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.